Lecture 13, Understanding Table Relationships. In today's lecture, we are going to tackle a topic that really brings your data model to life, table relationships. Understanding how tables connect and interact is key to building reports that are not only accurate but also flexible and insightful. We will look at how relationships work in data models, especially in tools like Tableau, Power BI, and databases like SQL. We'll focus how and when to create relationships, the types of relationships you will come across, and common pitfalls to avoid. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain the concept of table relationships, identify different types of table relationships, one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Understand the direction of relationships and how it affects data analysis. Create meaningful relationships between tables without causing data errors. What are table relationships? Let's say you have one table with customer information and another table with sales data. You want to connect each sale to the customer who made it. That connection is what we call a relationship. Relationships link data across tables using shared fields like customer ID or product code so that you can analyze it as if it were one big table. You don't always want to cram all your data into one table. Relationships help you break it down into smaller, organized pieces and then connect them meaningfully. Types of relationships. There are three main types of relationships. One to one. Each record in table A matches exactly one record in table B. Example: a table of employees and a table of their company laptops where each employee has one unique laptop. One to many. One record in table A matches multiple records in table B. This is the most common type. For example, one customer may place many orders. Many to many. Multiple records in table A relate to multiple records in table B. This can happen in scenarios like students enrolled in multiple courses and courses having multiple students. These require a bridge or junction table to manage the relationship properly. Relationship direction and cardinality. In tools like Power BI, you can also deal with direction of relationships, single or both directions. Single direction. Only one table filters the other. Both directions. Filters can flow in both directions, but this can lead to ambiguity or performance issues. Cardinality refers to how many values in one table match how many in another. One-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Understanding cardinality helps prevent faulty joins and incorrect summaries. Why relationships matter? If your relationships are not set up correctly, your visualizations and calculations won't reflect the real-world data. You might see duplicate values, missing rows, or wrong totals. Even worse, it might look okay on the surface, so always double check your relationships when something feels off. Let's take an example. You build a sales dashboard and notice the total sales seem twice as high. After investigation, you realize your table relationships caused every order to be counted twice because of an incorrect many-to-many relationship. Correcting relationships is not just a technical step. It's essential for building trust in your reports. How to create table relationships. Here are general steps you would follow in most tools. To create relationships in SQL, you will have to go in Database and click on Reverse Engineer and click on Next. You will have to give it a password that you have set for your database and click OK. And click on Next. You can select the databases. For that, you can add as many as you have. Next. And then Execute. Click on Execute. Now, click on Finish. You have two databases with two tables as well. As you can see, we have two different tables right now. Identify the common key field. For example, here is a common key field is ID. Decide which table is the primary. The one with unique values is the key. For example, you have this student table with ID as a unique ID here you can see. So this must be your primary. Create the relationships using that key. Set that correct cardinality and direction. Test by building a simple visualization or table to make sure it's working. Tools like Tableau use joins or relationships, while Power BI uses relationship diagrams. The logic is the same, but the way you set it up can differ slightly depending on the platform.